Let's create a Chrome extension from scratch, then publish it to the Chrome Web Store. So here we go. So first of all, open the ChatGPT and just type here, write a prompt to create a Chrome extension for full web page capture screenshot and enter. Now we have this detailed prompt to create an extension. So just copy this. Now open the Anti-Gravity. Make sure download the Anti-Gravity IDE. Then install it. I already have that. So open this. Now click on the file. Click on the open folder. Create any folder. New extension something. And create this folder. Then open this folder. Now in the right side we have one chatbot. Now make sure we need to just enable this by toggle like this. And we need to just paste that text and just enter. And now we have to wait some seconds and Anti-Gravity will create a Chrome extension for us. So first of all, Anti-Gravity created a plan. As you can see here, this is the plan. Now we just need to proceed. He start implementing this plan. So as you can see here in the right side, all thing is done. Now we need to test this, how this extension works. We need to click on the three dot here and then click on the extension. As you can see this one and click on manage extension. Once you go here, you will see here the developer mode. Make sure enable this developer mode, enable it. Now click on load unpack. Now let me show you my folder here. Now as you can see, this is the folder, all these files are here. Now simply go here, click on load unpack and then this is the extension, new extension. Just select this folder and click on select. Now this is our extension here. Now how we can use it? So it's very simple. Open the Google and as you can see, this is the extension icon. Click on this and pin that extension that we just created. And let's see how this will work. Click on that extension. Click on capture full page. Okay, capturing. Fantastic. See, this is the full page. Now you can download this as PNG file and open this. Fantastic. Now how we can publish this to the Chrome Web Store? So it's very simple. Now first of all, Chrome Developer Dashboard. I'll give you that link in the description. Now this is the Chrome Web Store. Click on the new item. Make sure whenever you enter into this platform, you need to pay $5 one-time fee. Same as the Google Play Store. Now once you pay that amount, now you can click on the new item here. And now here we need to drag and drop our file. So how we can do this? So we need to drag and drop the GIF file. So simply open this folder, new extension, make it as a GIF file. Now drag and drop that file and all done. As you can see here, now we just need to fill the details. Then you just need to put the description. You can get this description from ChatGPT. Select the category, your tool, language is English. We need to add here the icon. So I'm going to use here the ChatGPT to create this icon. Listing, app icon. This image we have to upload. This is the app icon, store icon. Done. Now we need to put the screenshot. Go here, click on screenshot and just add description, save as draft. Now we have added the details here. Now in the left side you will see the privacy. Click on this. Let's put the description here. Now we need to put here the active tab justifications. Copy and paste. Make sure read all these details. Now we need to put the privacy policy URL. So you can create this privacy policy page anywhere. Is like you can create this in the GitHub page, or you can just create this any blog page in your website. Now as you can see your store listing, submit for review. So we just need to click on this submit for review and then wait 2 to 3 days. So once your extension is published, so this will look like this here. Now how we can access this? So simply go to the Chrome Web Store. As you can see here, I have published this Snap Tall full page. So I'm going to do one thing here. Snap Tall Chrome extension. Okay. And as you can see here, this one extension is here. Or you can just simply search this extension in the Chrome Web Store. Here also. Snap. This one. As you can see here, this one. Fantastic. So this is how you can create a Chrome extension and publish this to the Chrome Web Store. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.